It's Peter. Today another video about Notcoin, the new cryptocurrency, which is available on Telegram. So guys, if you do not have Notcoin, please hit the subscribe button because I will upload a video and teach you exactly how to earn or mine Notcoin for free, okay? Step by step I will explain. So, if you already have Notcoins, more than 1 million, today I show you how to sell your Notcoins or transfer to your wallet. Okay? So, let's begin. Please, please guys, do not skip the video and watch till the end cuz you should follow me step by step, okay? So, let's begin. Let's open your Telegram app as you see here on my screen. Okay. Now let's open Notcoin bot and start the bot. Just you can type /start and send. Okay, so let's hit this let's go button here. Let's go and wait. As you see, I have mined about 13 million Notcoins for free. Recently you can see a trade button here and let's click on trade. So as you see here, you have to click on Notcoin to voucher, okay? We need voucher. As you see, so the first step is mint Notcoin voucher. Convert your Notcoins into pre-market vouchers. And then you have to trade Notcoin vouchers, okay? Sell or buy collectible on Get Gems or claim not later. Anyone can exchange their vouchers for not after token generation event. So let's continue. And you see here, you have to choose the amount of vouchers you want. You want to sell or trade, okay? So I have only 13 million vouchers. I have to trade 10 million Notcoins, okay? So here I have 10 million and 10 million Notcoin mint fee is 0.06 ton, okay? So let's confirm it, and as you see here, I have confirmed it, and here is the result. So now as you see, we have 0.06 ton here. Order will expire in 30 minutes, okay? And you can cancel it or mint it. So we have to click on mint, okay? And here as you see, this is my wallet, and I have to click on my wallet to connect to my wallet, okay? So it says confirm your wallet here. I choose my wallet and let's see what happens. As you see, here is my wallet. So here I can get my voucher to my ton coin here, to my ton on my wallet, and it is simple, guys, but it's telling you to what is you as you see here, it's telling you deposit ton space. You have to deposit for the first time to let the bot to confirm your transaction, okay? To confirm you. I want to tell you about my opinion about this, okay? About selling Notcoins. It is no, please, please, please do not sell your Notcoins because the price will rise for sure. I recommend to hold, okay? Hold your Notcoins. It's not a good time for selling. And I will not sell my Notcoins. It's just my opinion. It's up to you. And guys, if you want to sell right now, you should know that you have to just deposit something to confirm your wallet, okay? And if you do not want to deposit, you couldn't do anything. You couldn't sell your, I mean, not coins. You couldn't trade them, okay? So later I will teach you about how to mine Notcoin and how to trade your Notcoins, okay? If you don't want to miss my future videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you enjoyed it, okay? So guys, that's it. See you next time. Take care.